right, so
Gears are here.
third video,
This is your
first
agenda.
ride of the
You
Bandit.
don't really have to have it, you're right.
Yeah.
Jay's our official dirt bike guy.
You're an XT, so sport is one mode up.
I like it.
I like how much bigger it is.
Yeah.
It's a good
It's
size.
just,
for
yeah,
something
it's
like
an
it.
appropriate size. Oh, nice. Watch the dog. Good braking. Good braking. One of these days, I tell you. Yeah, you get him. You get him, Dasha. Okay, so whoa, nice. So Keith was saying that it doesn't have as much takeoff, but it certainly looks like it does. What do you think, sir?
I feel it, but it's got the power. It definitely does. I didn't play with the gears, but
Yeah, what
I
gear
don't know.
was
Does
he
the
on?
torque, does
Use
the
an
torque
XC.
change with the gears?
Yeah, you can put it right up into there. Now you're sport.
Oh, so
Where does
that-
it show that on the screen?
Right on the very bottom.
Right there.
Right. So if
Oh,
we run
sport.
through them, Eco, XC.
What's XC mean?
I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't ask what XC was. I know what Eco and Sport is, but
So I was in Eco?
you were in XC.
Oh, okay,
So in
okay.
Sport, you're going to feel everything.
Okay.
Hold on if you decide to launch it.
Suspension's nice too.
Yeah, KK's use the suspension as well.
Yeah, that feels good. That feels really good.
Why?
I don't know. I like Evoque. I really like Evoque in general. Like compared to, when I compare it to the videos I've watched, I haven't watched any videos on these, but everything I've watched on Evoque seems to be more detailed with their products.
Yeah, I would agree. Newest get ready, Suron, Talaria, Calvin. Calvin's not really even on the lineup anymore. They're a different kind of. All right. Welcome to the family, Talaria Dirt Bikes. Yay. I like how it's bigger. Because I can see the parents come in, they're like, the X3 Pro is a little small.
He's going to have a year out of it, and then you're
Yeah.
going to have to get him another one.
Yeah.
Something like the MX-5, you know, what you're getting to somebody that's been riding for a while,
Yeah.
that knows what they're doing. You know, and that's
But this is where it starts?
this is where it starts.
This
Yep.
is where it starts.
Yeah, this is where it starts.
Oh, shite.
Yeah, and as soon as the Outlaw comes out, I will bring it right over, and you can. The first
Yeah,
one
'cause
to
there'll be
test
three
ride.
models.
There's 3 models. The Bandit, the Raider, and the Outlaw.
Okay. Thank you, Evoque. Evoque.